Hey everybody, I'm John, the sPOD guy. I'm here to introduce you to our product we call the sPOD and our power distribution unit we call theSource. Anyways, let me take you inside of our shop and we'll take you on a tour of our product and show you what it's all about.
As many of you know, installing aftermarket electrical accessories for your Jeep Wrangler can be a very daunting experience. The sPOD, the first of its kind, is an innovative aftermarket power distribution product designed to simplify the installation of off-road electrical accessories such as air compressors and auxiliary fans. Made specifically for 1997 to 2010 TJ and JK model Jeep Wranglers, the sPOD system lays the foundation for future electrical accessories by providing a consolidated power distribution center into which up to 6 aftermarket electrical accessories can be plugged into. The sPOD system is a precision-designed product consisting of a 6-switch panel for your cab and the power distribution unit we call theSource that mounts under your hood. Once installed, all new components can be wired directly into the source and no further switches need be installed. The sPOD system is designed for ease of installation and is backed by outstanding customer support. All of our core components are made in the U.S.A. and are designed to meet or exceed the most demanding off-road requirements. What I'm about to show you are the core components that make up the sPOD system. First, we have a TJ switch bezel, a JK switch bezel with an air gauge, the source, and our main 9-foot wire harness. On our switch bezels, we use Contura 3 rocker switches made by Carling Technologies. The bezel is made from precision-formed, welded, powder-coated aluminum. On the back side, we use aircraft quality 90-degree flag terminals. The switch bezel is connected to the wire harness using Deutsch automotive connectors. They snap easily together and are watertight and dust-proof. All of our wire harnesses are wrapped in high-temp abrasion and weather-resistant nylon braided sleeving. Again, we use Deutsch connectors, and all of our flag terminals are labeled. This is an example of the JK switch bezel with the optional 0 to 160 psi air gauge. On the back side, you'll see we use quick-release Kamazi fittings, which are fitted to 10 feet of high-pressure connection line. Again, all switch bezels are precision-formed, welded, and powder-coated, and use Contura 3 rocker switches. Next, we're going to show you how the two harnesses connect together using Deutsch automotive connectors. The Deutsch connector utilizes non-symmetrical keyway guides to connect together with double locking connectors. These connectors are watertight and dust-proof. Now I want to explain to you one of our core components, which is the power distribution we call the source. The source is covered by an anodized aluminum cover with stainless steel latches. The source comes fully equipped with 6 30-amp automotive relays, 6 ATO fuses, and 12 terminal positions to connect your accessories. This is a standard 30-amp automotive relay which can be picked up at any automotive store. It just pops back into the socket. Each circuit is protected by a fuse. 15 and 30 amp fuses are provided, but you may use any type of fuse you wish. This is your inlet for your switches that control the relays. Your positive connection to the battery, your negative connection. In addition, an inline fuse is supplied to protect the switch circuit. Then the cover fits right over. One of our available add-ons is the optional LVCO, low voltage cutoff. The LVCO works as a battery protector. In the event that you accidentally leave any of your switches on, The LVCO will monitor your battery and will automatically cut power to your switches if your battery drops below 11.6 volts, thus preserving enough power to restart your vehicle. The indicator light tells you whether or not your battery is low or it's normal. Within this unit is a fuse designed to protect it and the switches. The LVCO is totally integrated with the source and comes completely installed when purchased with a complete system. Another one of sPOD's options is the ARB adapter harness. What we've done here is work with the ARB engineers to develop a system that eliminates 16 wires from coming into the cab of your Jeep. On the ARB compressor, about 3 switches are required to set up their system. Our adapter enables you to use sPOD switches instead and essentially eliminates 16 wires from coming into your cab. These connectors plug right into the source, and this connector plugs into the ARB adapter harness. And that's all you have to do. Go inside, flip a switch, and you're done. Lastly, we have the typical hardware bag that comes with your sPOD system. We include one mounting bracket for mounting the switch bezel to the windshield frame. Extra connectors are included for connecting your accessories. There are cable ties and all the hardware required to mount your switch bezel. That sums up the sPOD. Thank you for watching.